Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Pinterest application. To change your name in your Pinterest application, you need to download the Pinterest application. Before downloading the application, let me tell you something about Pinterest application. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for finding ideas like recipes, home and style inspiration and more. With billions of pins on Pinterest, you will always find ideas to spark inspiration. When you discover pins you love, save them to boards to keep your ideas organized and easy to find. You can also create pins to share your ideas with other people on Pinterest. You have to meet minimum age requirements to sign up, and we have certain protections in place for teens. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Pinterest application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and open your Play Store. Click on the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on the search button. Type Pinterest and make a search. You are going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. Now click on the install button to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you will be able to download your Pinterest application on your Android device. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Enter your email address and click on continue option. On the next page, type your password correctly and tap on login option. Official home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page, and once again tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on view profile option. Once you do that, click on edit profile option. Now simply type your name that you prefer and click on done option. That is how you will be able to change your name in Pinterest application quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.